So we're going to talk about is releasing the putter head and how, to get the club to release with the putter. We got a little drill set up. I got two tees here, just slightly wider than the putter head, and which is a drill that we use for all kinds of things. But what I want you to do is, when you release the putter, you really, when I mean release, I mean allow the putter to close and go towards the target, just like a normal golf shot. So you don't want to hinge that, and you don't want to stop the putter from going forward. So a good drill here is we're going to take one hand, and we're just going to push the ball towards the target and have the club follow and try to hit the target, just like that. And that'll help us get a release. We'll get that a few times, and once they regroup and hit it again, so I'm going to try one more time. That really gets them to allow that putter to go down the line. So the biggest issue with chipping and wedges and stuff like that for most amateurs is hitting down on the golf ball. So what I'm going to show you here is, to get the ball to go high, you got to hit down on it. You got to hit it on a downward motion. So a lot of amateurs, what they do is just hit a normal swing, they'll kind of lift up on it, and they won't get that loft and spin. So what you have to do is you got to get up, and you got to really hit it on the downswing. And it gets way up there and it gets a lot more height, a lot more spin, especially up north where the greens are firm and fast. You need to get the ball up so you can stop quicker on the greens. So I'm going to demonstrate how, with iron play, how the grip affects ball flight, and how a strong grip and a weak grip, how they affect the ball flight each way. So we talked about it with wedges. We have a strong grip. It's going to tend to close the club face to impact, and the ball is going to tend to go a little left. And the opposite would be if you had a weak grip. When you come through, the club face is going to be a little open, and it would cause the ball to go right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you that with a strong grip, with a normal straight back, straight through swing, the ball is going to start right and start straight and go a little left. Now we're going to weaken it to only have one knuckle. So what that's going to do is the ball is going to squirt out a little right. Now what we're going to do is what we want in a golf swing is a neutral grip. Try to hit a relatively straight golf ball. So I'm going to try to get a neutral grip here. Pretty straight. So what we're going to talk about here is I'm going to demonstrate the difference between hitting a driver and hitting an iron. A lot of people like to teach, hitting the irons on the downswing, which is the right way, and then hitting the driver on the upswing. The problem with that is it tends to get people to try to lift up on the ball too much, and that causes even more problems. So what we're going to do is we're going to have almost the exact same swing as the iron swing. We're just going to change the ball position, which is going to naturally make us impact at a different position in the swing. So where we would normally be with an iron, it would be right here in the middle. We're just going to take about 5 inches to the right. And we're going to take almost the identical golf swing, and we're just going to hit it the same swing. And it's going to simplify everything for you. And really, it does allow you to hit it on the upswing naturally instead of trying to hit it